Dear students, in this video you will learn about series type of faults, one conductor open fault and two conductor open fault. So in previous videos we have discussed about shunt type fault. Shunt type faults means LG fault, LL fault, double LG fault. Series type of fault means open conductor faults. So it may be one conductor open or two conductors open. So to analyze this series type of fault, so we need to determine the sequence component of line currents and line voltages across broken end of the conductors. So here we can see the three lines A, B, C. Three lines are connected to the power system. So here fault takes place at one conductor. So if fault is we are denoting with F and F dash. Faults are identified as F and F dash, while the conductor ends are provided by A dash, B dash and C dash. The voltage across the conductors are V A dash and V B dash and V C dash. Voltages across the conductors are V A dash, V B dash, V C dash. The symmetrical components of these voltages are VAA dash 1, VAA dash 2, VAA dash 0. So here we can see the symmetrical components: positive sequence component, negative sequence component and zero sequence component. So these are suitably interconnected depending on the fault. So here one conductor fault or two conductor fault. So based on that this PSN, NSN, ZSSN are interconnected. Okay, first open conductor fault. One conductor is open. So here we can see A conductor is open. So in this diagram we can observe A conductor is broken or A conductor is open. So A dash we can observe A is the point, one point and A dash is the other point. So one conductor is open means it will happen 2 points. So A and A dash. So here fault is occur, right? So in this condition the current flowing in the A line will be equal to 0. Since it is a open, the current will not flow. So A will be equal to 0. Similarly, and B and C voltages are equal to 0. VB dash, VCC dash is equal to 0. These are the terminal conditions. Using these terminal conditions, we will find out the sequence components. Okay. So here sequence components of voltages. So VAA dash 1, VAA dash 2, VAA dash 0. So this all will be equal to 1 by 3 VAA dash. See, so here we are substituting the terminal conditions in these voltage equations. So this will be all are equal to 1 by 3 VAA dash and current IA is equal to 0, current open. So IA is equal to 0. So A conductor is open, the current flowing in the A will be equal to 0. Since IA0 plus IA1 plus IA2, so here IA2 is equal to 0. So in terms of symmetrical components are similar to double line ground fault. So in double line ground fault how we have seen. So here similarly it is one conductor fault. This suggests that three sequence networks would be connected in parallel to represent the fault. So in double line to ground fault, so we have connected three sequence networks in parallel. Similar way in one conductor faults also we have to connect parallel. So here this is a positive sequence component, negative sequence component, zero sequence components, all are connected in parallel. So all are connected in parallel. We can observe in this figure. Okay. Next we will move to the two conductor open fault. So in this two conductors are open. So here if you observe B and C. B conductor, C conductor, so both are opened. So in this case, current flowing in the B and current flowing in the C will be equal to 0, and voltage across A conductor is equal to 0. So using these terminal conditions, we will find out the symmetrical component voltages and current. So first we will see the currents. IA0, IA1, IA2 are the symmetrical components of current in two conductor fault. So this will be equal to 1 by 3 IA. So all currents are equal to 1 by 3 IA. The terminal voltage of A is equal to 0. So that is VAA dash is equal to 0. The resultant of symmetrical component voltages, the summation of all symmetrical component voltages is equal to 0. So these conditions are similar to line to ground fault, so LG fault. So this is similar to line to ground fault. So in this what we are doing is, so the three sequence networks are connected in series and short circuited. So seriously we connected. So in one conductor fault, three symmetrical components we have connected in parallel. So one conductor fault is like a LG fault, double line to ground fault. Two conductor fault is belongs to the LG fault. Since LG fault we have connected all sequences are in series. Similar way here also in two conductor faults also. So we will connect all sequence impedances in series and short circuited. Okay, so this is about one conductor and two conductor fault. Thank you everyone.